Hello students, come to the page number 147. Today's topic is measurement of weight. So we have different examples where we use weight concept and different measures. Yes, see here first line, we measure weight in. So here we call them units. Yes, we use different units to measure weight. So what are the units here? Grams, in bracket short form is there, G, small g, and kilograms, in bracket small k, small g, kg. So this is short form for kilogram. Okay, so now if we want relation between gram and kilogram, see it is given here, 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram, or opposite is also correct, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. And one more relation is there, see here it is 1000 gram. Now if we made it 1 gram only, so 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. So this is also relation between gram and kilogram. Yes, we already know this concept. Yes, if I want to convert this 1000, see here it is becoming 1. So what I will do, I will divide it by 1000 and I will divide right hand side also by 1000. So here this 1000 divided by 1000, it will become 1. Okay, so here 1 gram is equal to, what will happen on right hand side, 1 divided by 1000, 1 divided by 1000 kilogram. Okay, see on next line what is given. For weights less than 1 gram, we use a smaller unit called milligram. Okay, so we have one more unit which is smaller than these grams, and it is called as milligrams. Okay, and how to show it? By short form mg, small m, small g, mg, milligram. Okay, and where we can use this very small unit? When we take some expensive things, like for example gold. Yes, so we use milligram also. See next line, we use milligram to weigh precious, precious or valuable things or expensive things such as gold. See here that example is given. And now again we can find relation between milligram and gram now. Here relation was between gram and kilogram. Now milligram and gram. So see here 1000 milligram is equal to 1 kilogram. And one more possible way is there for 1 milligram. So here see we are taking now from this 1000 we are taking now 1 milligram. So 1 milligram is equal to 1 upon 1000 gram. See what is given here. The weight of this gold necklace is 25 gram and 380 milligram. Its weight is more than 25 gram but less than 26 gram. Yes, so that's why this milligram is coming here. By how much is it less than 26 gram? So to find this, definitely what we can use subtraction. What we will do? 26 gram minus 25 gram and 380 milligram. So we can use concept of subtraction here. Come to the next point. See, circle the correct weight for the following objects. Okay, so definitely see here we can find answers here now. Cake. So cake, first of all we can use kilogram, gram and milligram, but here if we consider it is not very small and it is not very big also. Yes, so actually we can consider it weight is 3 kilogram. Then see here cabbage. Yes, when we go in shops or when we go to purchase vegetables from market, yes, we know we use kilogram concept. Yes, okay. So if you consider this cabbage example, it is not very big, so definitely we can consider weight as 1 kilogram and 500 gram. Then sack of rice, definitely these are bigger, okay, sack of rice, so definitely we can take as 10 kilogram as its weight. Now see finger ring, we know rings are very small, yes, so definitely it will not be in kilogram, it may be in gram and milligram. Okay, so again see here, this gram is actually 550 gram, so it is more actually, yes, 550, it means if you take only 500 also, so it is half kilogram. Okay, so definitely its weight is not half kilogram also, so we will take here milligram, 8200 milligram. Then laptop, see laptop we know definitely it is somewhat bigger, so its weight will be 2 kilogram and 500 gram. Okay, now see point number 2, convert 2367 gram into kilogram and grams. Okay, see this example, 2367 gram is given, and now we have to convert it into kilogram as well as gram. So what we will do, we know relation between gram and kilogram, yes, okay, so how we can write, see, yes, what is the relation, 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. So here what I will do, 1000 means definitely come to the thousands place, see here 2, so I will separate this 2 and its place value is actually 2000, see it is at ones, tens, hundreds, thousands place. So see here, yes, this 2 is at thousands place, so I will separate it, so I am writing it like this, 2000 gram, and actually it is complete as a gram, but I am separating this 2000 from that, so definitely what is remaining here now, 367, so I will write it like plus 367 gram. And now I can convert this 2000 gram into 2 kilogram, because 1000 gram is 1 kilogram, 1000 gram is 1 kilogram, so 2000 gram will become 2 kilogram. So that's why here 2 kg or 2 kilogram is coming, 2 kilogram plus or 2 kg plus, this is as it is 367 gram. And now we can remove this addition sign and we can write it like this, 2 kg and 367 gram. Now come to the next page, page number 148. See again some conversions are given here. Convert 5 kilogram and 310 gram into grams. Okay, now we have to convert into grams. Okay, so see this here, 310 is already it is in gram, so we don't have to convert it, but we will convert this kilogram into gram, and then we will add both grams. Okay, so here 5 kilogram, how to convert, see, again we need that relation, 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So I will multiply this 5 by using 1000. 5 multiplied by 1000. So it will become gram. So I am writing outside this bracket as gram. Plus this gram is as it is 310 gram. Now what will happen here? 5 multiplied by 1000. We have one short trick here. Yes, how to get this multiplication? 5 multiplied by 1, 5. And how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. So put those 3 zeros here. So it will become 5000 plus this 310 is as it is. And now both are, see, this is also gram, this is also gram. So we can add them. So it will become 5310 gram. Now see fourth example. Convert 10 gram 567 milligram to milligrams. So this is mg is also milligram here. Okay, it is short form. So now this is already in milligram. So we will convert this gram part only. So see, we are writing it here again. 10 gram 567 milligram is equal to Now again we need relation between gram and milligram, because we have to convert this gram into milligram. So what is the relation? 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. So we will multiply this 10 by using 1000. So here we are writing 10 multiplied by 1000 in bracket, and outside bracket. Now as we multiply it by 1000, it is, this gram is becoming milligram. So here mg is written, plus this milligram is as it is 567 milligram. Okay, now this 10 multiplied by 1000, it will become 10,000. How to do it in short way? 1 multiplied by 1, 1. Now count how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. So I will put 4 zeros here. So it is becoming 10,000. Now I can write it inside bracket. This is this 10,000 and this 567, because both are milligram now. So we can add them. So we will get 10,567 milligram. And now see question 5. Convert 2,367 milligram into grams and milligrams. Okay, now we have to convert it into gram and milligram, and it is given in milligram. So we can separate the values now. See, 2,369 milligram. So I will separate this 2000 from this milligram. So I am writing C, 2000 milligram here. And now what is remaining? We have already taken this 2000. So what is remaining? 369. So here 369 milligram. This is also milligram. But now we can convert this milligram into gram. See, we have to convert gram and this milligram into gram and milligram. So this milligram will remain as it is. But now this is 2000 milligram. So as we know, 1000 milligram equal to 1 gram. So 2000 milligram will become 2 gram. So see here 2 gram is coming. So 2 gram plus this is 369 milligram. Why we are keeping it as it is? Because if it is becoming 1000 milligram, then only we can convert it into gram. Otherwise we will keep it as it is, as milligram. Okay, and now we can remove this addition sign. So here what we are getting? 2 gram 369 milligram. After watching this part, you can try to solve this do and learn from page number 148. Here also conversions are there from kilogram to gram, and here from milligram to gram, or here see gram to kilogram. So I will send this answer key to you. Go through that answer key, try to understand, and if you have any doubt in these questions, you can ask me those doubts in my online class. Now come to the next page, page number 149. Here this part is easy, addition and subtraction of weights. Okay, so see this first example. Just what we do here, see what is the example. Add 24 kilogram 250 gram and 35 kilogram 492 gram. So as similar to previous part was about length, how to measure length or distance. Okay, so we can make two groups here, one group for kilogram and one group for gram. Okay, and now below kilogram we will write kilogram, below gram we will write grams. Okay, so see here kilogram and gram. So first is, see here, first is 24 kilogram and 250 gram. So here we are writing 24 under kilogram and 250 under gram. Then here 35 kilogram. So here we are writing 35 kilogram under gram, and here 492 grams. So here 492 grams under this G. And now we can add. This is similar to addition. 0 plus 2, 2. 5 plus 9 or 9 plus 5, 14. So we will write here only 4. 1 is carry. See here red color 1 is written. 1 is carry. Now again add them. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. So here we are writing 7. Then 4 plus 5, 9. and 2 plus 3 5. So what is the answer? 59 kilogram, because it is coming under kilogram. 59 kilogram and 742 gram. Okay, so similar to this we can do subtraction for kilogram and gram. So again we will make two columns here, gram and kilogram, and see what is the question. Subtract 34 kilogram 257 gram from 87 kilogram and 169 gram. We know in subtraction we take part which is after from, we take it first. So first of all we will write this 87 gram, see 87 kilogram and 169 gram. After that minus, write this 34 kilogram under this kilogram, 34 kilogram and this 257 gram. Okay, and now do subtraction. 9 minus 7, 2. 6 minus 5, 1. Now 1 minus 2 not possible. So just like our subtraction we do it here. Okay. So here I will borrow from this 7. So this 7 will become 6 and this 1 will become 11. Now 11 minus 2, 9. Now here 6 minus 4, 2 and 8 minus 3, 5. So this is just similar to addition and subtraction, but just we are making two groups here, kilogram and gram, kilogram and gram, and then we do addition or subtraction. So by using these concepts of addition and subtraction, definitely we can try to solve do and learn from page number 150. These are very easy questions here. Here we will solve question 1, question 2 and question 3. Here also you will get this answer key. Before that, try to solve these questions on rough pages. Then check your answers from my answer key. If any correction is there, do that correction. And then finally solve those questions in your notebook. And if you have any doubt there, you can ask me that doubt in my online class.